Hello student, today we are going to learn length. This is part of chapter number 11, measurement. In third standard we learn length. Length can be measured in centimeter and meter. Now in this standard also we learn length. Now see, this is Sudha. Sudha want to measure a length. The length I have measured more than 5 centimeter. Now see, in this picture we have, see, this is a one box and Sudha want to measure a length of this box, but the length is more than 5 centimeter and less than 6 centimeter. How do I measure this length? Then he asked to his her Tai, how to measure this length? Then Tai said, here take this ruler, this Tai, and said, take this ruler. There are smaller marking between two adjacent centimeter marking. Now see, this is a ruler, and in this ruler, see, this is 1 centimeter, this 2 centimeter, and between this centimeter there is smaller marking. See, these are smaller marking between these centimeters. Sudha, the length I have measured is 5 centimeter and 3 small parts. Sudha measure a length and this is more than 5 centimeter and 3 small parts. See, 5 and small. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 small parts. Tai, 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. Now see, this is a 1 centimeter. From this to this is 1 centimeter, and this 1 centimeter is divided into 10 parts. Let's measure. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here 5 is given by long line and these are small. Then again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means this 1 centimeter is divided into small 10 parts. Each part is called millimeter. Each part is called millimeter. Means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now centimeter is written in short cm. Centimeter is written in small cm. And second, millimeter is written in small mm. Now 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is equal to 5 into 10 is equal to 50 millimeters. Then how many millimeters in 7 centimeters? See, we have to ask how many millimeter in 7 centimeter. Then 7 multiplied by 10 is equal to 70. Means 7 centimeter is equal to 70 millimeters. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore 7 centimeter is equal to 7 into 10, 70 millimeter. Now we solve exercise. See, first question, measure the length of the lines shown and convert it into millimeters. We have to first measure the length of line and this line convert into millimeters. Now we measure the length of first line. See, we can put here this line and then measure 4. The length of first line is 4 centimeter, and then we have to convert it into millimeters. Then to convert millimeter we multiplied by 10. 4 into 10 is equal to 40 millimeters. Now second, now measure the length of this line. This is 6 centimeter. Now 6 centimeter is equal to 6 into 10, then 60 millimeters. The length of line is 6 centimeter and then we convert this into millimeter, 60 millimeter. Now see the next, measure the length of line in centimeters and millimeters. Now we have to measure the length in centimeter and millimeters. This is a scale. the length of line shown above. See, this is a line and the length of this line is 7 centimeters and 5 millimeters. See, this is centimeters, 7 centimeters and 5 millimeters. Understood? This small part is called millimeter. Therefore, this is 7 centimeters and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 millimeter. Now, from this we have to given a question. Measure the length of each line below. Write how many centimeters and millimeters. We have to measure the length of these lines and write down this length in centimeter and millimeters. First we measure the length of this line. And how many centimeters and meters? Yes, here see 4 centimeters and this small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 millimeters, means the length of this line is 4 centimeter and 6 millimeters. Understood how to measure the length of this line? Then again we measure. This is line and the length of line is 6 centimeters and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 millimeters, means the length is 6 centimeters and 8 millimeters, right? 6 centimeter and 8 millimeters. Now next question, measure and write length of a book. Now see, this is a book and we have to measure the length of this book. Then what is length of this book? Let's measure. This is a 27 centimeter and how many millimeters here? 5, 6, 7. See, again we can measure 27.5, right? 27 centimeter and 5 millimeter. We can write this another way, 27.5 centimeter. Understood? Or we can write in two way. Understood? In this way or in this way. Now thickness of an eraser. Now this is eraser and we have to measure thickness. Thickness of an eraser is, see, 1.2. Now thickness of an eraser is 1 centimeter and 2 millimeter or 1.2 centimeter. Understood? Now length of a pencil. This is a pencil and length of pencil is, we can measure, see, yes, 15 centimeter. Length of the edge of the notebook. Now this is a notebook and length of edge of notebook. How many centimeters? Yes, 7.2. 17 centimeters and 2 millimeters. Or we can write 17.2 centimeter. Okay. Now length of a table. I can measure the length of table and the length of table is 19 centimeter. Now see the next question. Now guessing the distance between two places. How to guess the distance between two places? Now to measure small length we use ruler. to measure table, pen, book, pencil, eraser, sharpener. These small lengths we can be measured by using ruler. To measure long length, we measure tape, like length of cloth, distance between two gates, length of room, length of table. This can be measured by using tape. But how to measure longer distance, means greater than the this length? Distance between school gate and classroom. How to measure this distance? This is very longer distance. It is difficult to measure with tape. Now to measure this distance, walk a 5 steps along a line. Now measure the distance with tape. Now to measure this distance, first we walk 5 steps. This first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 5 steps, and measure this distance by using tape. This is a 3 meter. The distance is 3 meter. Now walk from school gate to classroom. Then how many total steps? Yes, the total steps are 95. Then 95 divided by 5. We can walk 5 steps. Therefore divided by 5. The answer is 19. Now one stage of 5 steps is equal to 3 meters. See, this is 5 steps and 5 steps is equal to 3 meters. Then 19 multiplied by 3 is equal to 57 meters. This means the distance from the gate to the classroom is about 57 meters. Means to measure a longer distance, we can use our foot. First we walk 5 steps and measure the length of 5 steps by using tape, and then we can measure the total distance. This method can be used to measure the distance between house and shop. Now from house and your friend's home, house and garden, we can first measure 5 steps, and these 5 steps can be measured by using tape, and then we can count total steps. In this way we can guess the distance between two places. Understood? Okay, thank you for watching the video.